Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have a verified business account and Meta Business Manager. Now start. First, request an API access token and save it as an environment secret. Next, install an HTTP client or the official SDK for your language. Once done, make a simple get/v13 0/phone number ID call to confirm authentication. This step proves credentials and connectivity before sending messages. Make sure to log responses and errors so you can iterate quickly if the token or permissions need adjusting. Now compose your message payload and choose template versus session text depending on context. If using media, upload it first to get a media ID, then reference that ID in the message payload. For templates, ensure they are pre-approved for outbound notifications. Session messages can be sent within 24 hours of user contact. Once payload is ready, post to /v13 0/phone number ID/messages with the token. Make sure to inspect message ID and status fields to track delivery and avoid duplicate sends. Complete the flow by configuring webhooks to receive message statuses and inbound messages. Verify the callback token and parse JSON events. Once done, implement idempotency and retry logic with exponential backoff to handle transient errors gracefully. If something fails, check token validity, ensure you use the correct phone number ID, and confirm templates are approved. Finally, make sure logs record request/response pairs so you can trace issues quickly and fix configuration or permission problems without guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.